Welcome back. So now if the user chooses number one, which is the weather, we need to get the weather of their current city, of their current location. So inside the case one, we need to call a function that would accomplish that. And instead of the alert here was just for testing. We no longer need it. I'm gonna just comment it out. And instead, I'm gonna create a function. First, I'm gonna name it here, get location, which is the current location, and weather. So this function, basically this function is going to get the location, and inside this function, once we get the location, we will be able to get the weather of that location. So you can just name it get location, but I'm gonna name it get location and weather so that things become clear for now. Get location, then weather, then weather. So now that we have called this function once the user chooses number one, we need, of course, to create it. So I'm going to create this function. Let's see, created function, and get location and weather. So how would we get the location, the current location of the user, where the user is browsing or using our chat assistant or chat bot? Well, it's very simple. We can use the navigator.geolocation. And the geolocation has a function called getCurrentPosition, which is going to get the current location, the current latitude and longitude. So here, current location, and it takes three functions. One of them is mandatory, which is the success, and the error, and a third optional one. Let's first use the success. In case of success, we will get the position in case of success. So we have this is the first function, which is in case of success. The second function, in case of the error callback, here error, and we can just here use it. And the position, this position that we are going to get, contains a key pos.coords, and then the latitude and also the longitude. So we need these two because these are the two parameters that we are going to use in order to get the weather. So here we can get the latitude and store it in lat equals to this, and lat longitude equals to position dot coords dot longitude. And in case of error, we can simply use the console.log and display the error, or the alert to display the error to the user as well. So it's up to you. And now, after we get the location, we need to create another function that is going to use the latitude and the longitude in order to get the current location. But that would require an external service that provides weather information.